Assalamualaikum and hi guys! In this video, I'll share with you how to unlock a door with face recognition using OpenCV on Raspberry Pi. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For this project, we are going to use Raspberry Pi 4B, Maker Head, relay, 12V DC solenoid door lock, 3.7 Li-ion battery, battery holder, quick wiring terminal press type, Raspberry Pi micro HDMI cable, USB-C UK plug, USB webcam, and jumper wires. Insert the SD card, DC negative to ground, connect the DC positive to 5V, and in to GPIO 17. To make it easier to connect the battery, we will use this quick wiring terminal. Connect the red wire to the normally open, black wire to the black wire of solenoid, and lastly, connect the common pin to the red wire of solenoid. Connect the micro HDMI cable, connect the USB webcam, connect the USB-C UK plug, then power up the Raspberry Pi. This is the continuation video of face recognition. Last time, we already create a dataset for face recognition. So, we will use this data to unlock the door when it recognizes our face. Now, open Tony Python IDE. Open a new file and enter the following code. Actually, I just edited the face recognition file that we did in the face recognition tutorial. I add a few lines so that we can unlock the door whenever it recognizes our face. Since we will use GPIO for the relay, we need to import GPIO. I set the relay to GPIO pin 17. I set it as an output and we want it to lock at start, so we set the relay to low. Now, the important one. These are the lines that we need to unlock the door. When it recognizes our face, it will unlock the door. So here we set the relay to high. And then it will unlock the door only for 5 seconds after it recognizes the face. If the Raspberry Pi does not recognize any faces, it will lock the door again. So we have to set the relay to low. Now, save the file in the face recognition folder. You don't have to run this file, just make sure it is in the face recognition folder. Now, open the terminal. Go to the face recognition folder and run the face log file. In a few seconds, your webcam view will open up. If it recognizes your face, the door will unlock. And if it didn't recognize the faces, it would lock the door. That's all for today. I'm Suad from Cytron Technologies. Thank you for watching.